Hey guys, this is Live the Queen here, bringing you an unboxing. Happy to see you guys today. And what I'm going to be unboxing is It Works. I've heard a lot about this product, and I'm super excited to be able to bring you guys a tutorial today on my unboxing. I can get it open. All right, so this is what we're looking at when we open the box. All right, and this is an herbal cleanse, guys. Okay, I'm super excited that I got this. All right, this is my box. All right, and you can hear the smooth sounds of Living Smoke in the background. Check us out, Living Smoke on YouTube. All right, guys, and you actually get 4 bottles inside this box right here, so that's good. And before I go there, all right, basically this cleanse, it's a 2-day herbal cleanse. Okay, and it helps your body to reset and rebalance itself so you can feel and look your best. All right, that's what we're all about, ladies. All right, self-love. So I'm super excited. They actually have a wrap, okay, that you can get as well, which I'm going to do next. I'm going to have videos of both my results from the cleanse as well as my wrap, okay? So you guys can try it out, because I definitely recommend it. That wrap especially, I've seen what that thing can do, okay? I'm just ready to try for myself. All right, this is the It Works cleanse. You get 4 bottles. They're 4-ounce bottles, okay, of the herbal cleanse. And I'm super excited. You take this bottle, the suggested use is that you take this bottle prior to your morning meals, all right? And then you take another bottle prior to dinner, all right, for 2 consecutive days. And you make sure you shake well, all right? So I'm actually going to go ahead and take my first dose right here for you guys. Okay, let's give it a... And drink plenty of water. You want to drink at least 8 cups of water a day, it says. Smells like citrusy. Not bad. It's not bad. Not bad at all. All right, honey. It does have like this crazy aftertaste, but it's all right. It's not bad. But there is this crazy aftertaste that it's kind of weird. But all right, there goes that. And then I of course have bottles and bottles of water. I'm gonna be on my water all day, guys. So, whew, and that aftertaste, God. All right, guys. That water kills that aftertaste like nobody's business, and boy, you're gonna want plenty of that, okay? But that was, of course, my first drink. I'm gonna take another one before dinner tonight. All right, I haven't eaten any breakfast today as of this point. Nothing but drink water, all right? And I'm gonna drink plenty of water throughout the day. I'm gonna eat a small dinner tonight, and then I'm gonna take that my second installment before I do that, all right? So I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. All right, I took my before pictures before my video. All right, so you guys stay tuned for my after pictures. I'm going to do a follow-up video, of course, and that's going to be, you know, my after day 2, just to show you guys what has happened since then. All right, so again, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for coming to my channel, and I'm super excited to have you guys to witness my transformation here. All right, and I'll post the pictures with my next video. All right, but until then, peace. See you guys.